Welcome to another vlog, and today we are talking about a company that is combining something mind-blowing. Okay, when I saw the news I thought, okay, this is interesting. Okay, you might heard of NFTs, right? I mean, this digital collectible digital art that you can store on your mobile phone, right, in your wallet. Now you also have heard about ZKIN, this lifestyle brand for men. Yes, exactly. This is this magazine. And ZK International is actually combining both of them. But I will tell you everything about it. So stay tuned, make sure to like and also subscribe. But before we diving in, ZK International is a Chinese company that is actually on the Nasdaq. And the ticker symbol is ZKIN. Okay, very easy to understand. Now we are diving first into what they are actually doing. They are a technology company, first of all, but this doesn't mean that you cannot be diversified, right? Look at Tesla. They are making cars, they're making batteries, now they're making even robots, right? So it's always interesting where companies actually go to in different businesses to grow, to be innovative. Okay, I love that. Okay, if a company is that innovative, then I love. But let's have a look what the company video actually says.
ZK International Group's mission is to supply the next generation in China with clean water through innovative, high-quality, and reliable water piping infrastructure. The company is a premium manufacturer of stainless steel pipes and fittings in China with many high-profile projects including Beijing National Sports Stadium, Beijing National Aquatic Center, Beijing National Airport, and nearly 2,000 different water and gas pipeline projects. In China, 250 million people are estimated to move into cities, some of which have not even been built yet. To support this massive urban growth, the Chinese government has set aside $610 billion for water infrastructure through the year 2030. There are two major advantages with using stainless steel pipe. One, it's 1.5 times stronger than PVC, 3 times stronger than copper, and 10 times stronger than PPR.
So now you have the first idea what they are doing, and now let's dive into the breaking news. Okay, this is really breaking news from the 26th of August with the headline ZK's International Blockchain Innovation Hub X Sigma, I just love the name, launches MaximNFT.com, an exclusive NFT marketplace in partnership with Maxim. And I will just read you the first line because you can Google it and you can find thousands of articles about that. But you see here that ZK International Group has formed a wholly owned subsidiary, X Sigma Collectibles Limited, and entered into a partnership agreement with Maxim to launch MaximNFT.com and the exclusive NFT marketplace of the iconic men's lifestyle brand. Under the terms of the agreement, X Sigma's world-class developers and NFT designers will operate the NFT platform, which will be endorsed and promoted by Maxim.com across its digital, social, and publishing assets. Okay, so you have not only the product but also directly a huge audience of distribution. Okay, and additionally, Maxim NFT will be exclusive seller of Maxim's own NFTs. So now you have the idea what is the breaking news. You have the idea what ZK International is doing. Let's dive into the stock chart, and after that we will go to the conclusion of this video. So this is the stock ticker, as we said, ZKIN. Okay, very, very easy to remember. A market cap of about 100 million. Okay, $100 million. These prices are all in dollars, and as you can see, because by definition every stock that is below $5 is by definition a penny stock, guys. And again, be always careful. Penny stocks are tending to be very volatile. Okay, the one day it could be $1, the next day could be $10. Okay, it's sometimes with good news very, very movable in either direction. So make sure to understand that. Then we are having a crazy 52 range of from $1 here, that was the lowest point, to $14, guys. Okay, so as you can see, as the course is at 3.68, we are having much more potential to go to 14 or back to 14, right? With good news, with good revenue, with maybe this brand new news that the stock is really going to go higher, much higher. This is the potential, but also there's always the risk to go back to 1. So this is important to understand. If you're going into the chart, you see here that it seems that if we are looking into the last 5 days, that we're heading like a little bit of an uptrend. Then we reach like $4.85, which is much more than the 3.6 that we have right now, or 3.7 almost. And then from there we actually went down. So but it seems like here it could mean that, you know, towards the end of the day we gained a little bit. And if you're looking into the bigger picture, and I'm talking about 5 years, you saw where the stock was at $9 back in March 2021, when the whole market was on hype, basically. So you can see here that it didn't fall back to the $1 mark, and here the reason why they were much higher here at almost $10 was that they here 2 years ago had crazy revenues. So they are now trying to innovate, and you know, the reason that you should really have to look into it is, I think that there's definitely potential if you're looking into what happened in the past, okay, which is obviously never in financial advice or something else. So make sure to make your own due diligence and see if this company and its product and its management teams are your alignment with the mindset. Okay, so as you can see here, I think that this is quite interesting. There's definitely some resistance here at $4, $4.40, I guess, you know, where the stock need to break through, but then, you know, anything is possible. It can go here back to almost $10 with a great market. So I think that you should stay tuned for the conclusion right now. So in the conclusion of this video, I would like to first give an intro to the conclusion, which is, guys, make your own research. This is never financial advice. This video is, for example, sponsored that I looked into the company and I presented, okay? So make sure to make your own research. If it's a great company, if you like what they are doing, then invest in it. If you don't like it, then maybe the next time we see another company that you might really like, okay? So it's really up to you. Make your own research and make your own due diligence, okay? Now, in the conclusion, I would like to say that I love when companies diversify that crazy, okay? From a hardware technology company to a digital masterpiece, and with the craziest concepts to bring something that is so in demand, you know, men's really interesting magazines to digitalize, and they can own their favorite model or their favorite picture that they have already as posters on the wall. This is absolutely insane, okay? I love that kind of stuff. But there is also one more thing that you need to know. You might think, is this not a little bit too crazy? Well, it's actually normal for Chinese companies to be very diversified, okay? Here's, for example, a small overview what Alibaba is actually owning and what is the subsidiaries and so on. So you see, it's totally normal to own so many stuff. So in the end of the day, you make the decision. You are your own creator of your own life, especially in investing portfolio. So let me know in the comments below what you think, and I see you obviously tomorrow.